turiyo tureba nibiki ebintu bikigombe cya NRM mu myaka 20 kizire nkikora den nabwanyuma chairman wacho kandi president wihanga General Kaguta Museveni akongera no kuronda obushagiki hamwe no bwebembeza abantu ngo bamwikireze muna ba flag bearers kwenda ngo enchira rukwija bakaje muhereza hari yibe byona ebikozerwe na nebi ari kutekateka kugira ngo akore abanya-Uganda nyenda kwirusiyaho ngo enyumaho egikigeze sub-region kandi riyo muri burengero wizoba akagitandika izoba ryo kubanza ahiyatandikiro muri Kisoro kandi akija umuri Rubanda yaza kabare na rukigizo baranywa bazyo kandi akajije keri izoba ko kutatwagambiro yatandikira mu district ya Kanungu ahiyashobora ahanshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi ombinte byakorwa yaronkingaho na fiber ya internet eitutungireho minister wa ICT nyetiro akatushobora ngo nibimwe narishina nemyanya eyer kuza kubane yamba fiber kebejo bagize ngo baza kwambagita omyanya emwe nemwe ayabantu barumba ja accessingira narishimba tungira internet yabushanko mu marwaro omashomero na nemyanya ya government hayekuberi Omurkanungu ahiyahereze speech no kugamba nabantu yija mu district ya Rukungira harero muhanda rero naija kwenda kugamba nitwe namwe n'abanya-Uganda kumanya ebyabakorire na no mu protecting gains twenda kugamba n'abantu bamwe na bamwe abizire bareba entunguka obundi bakatsobora nibiki ebikozirwe abantu bakahakare arshaha ibiri kandi twenda kugamba na General Henry Tumukunde akatsoboraho ahari gains ezibizire bareba nk'abantu barwanziriza hamwe na district ya Rukungiri okureba ngo ebintu nibice bikozirwa General Kaguta Museveni ashamiye kubana hikaha kandi abantu ba Rukungiri bakamuhereza akaruru General twakwakira turi ya Tayari West Tayari West ntwenda ngo otuterere tocho tsigire cyane cya Rwangisiriza nibintu ki ebikozirwa mu district ya Rukungiri ebituri kugira ngo president ija kushaba ubushagiki baje kwamba muhera karuru enchere ndiro
ekikuru cya byona emyaka mingi hatehwereho ebintu bingi birukorerwa kandi ebiro byahika abantu batandika kubifiringa habwabo ninkamaka mabi ningamaka marungi go bushwere overtime omukazi natandika kufiringa ngwekerereje and on many other grounds nke free education, free health care with all the bits of inefficiencies that it has. Management of the health system, like especially in areas of vaccination and so on. Then roads. So the total effect of all this is felt by the population and support.
General Ombintu bya security na district jo kugira ngo korgaho za Kanungu oza Kongo ayifere tuzigumanizija ahabwe ntareze kubayo. Imwe nkomuwe oyine experience ombintu bya security no girangu ihangere na district eje erimuje ahabanya-Uganda bashemiye kongera NRM enchuro ni yemwe.
Information elikumara konka this being a party of such a long standing nyonyi no kutekateka ngo the leadership will sort out itself kutekateka and there are very many competent people who can be leaders.
Municipality kandi yo kwatiye bendera nibintu cyo kureba ngushimiye kubona betebwa mu manifesto y'emyaka etaneji kumwaka wa mwatungire bweme
mezi twine mashanyarazi twine nguto mbuwazireba. We are such a young town, so there's quite a bit we are yet to do. Nyoni njirangu we shall work hard and pull it up.
General bwanyuma yokutaya kwa president Elizoba omuru Rukungiri ntaza kukora abo kugera izoba kwika 2010 jirangu obushagiki bugume.
We are going into very intensive campaign, so remaining 1 month and so we are going to be being very intensive for the party and for our own positions as flag bearers, and then supporting all other flag bearers.
General message y'abantu ba Rukungiri na municipality omukwakira president omwabazi guri
shemererwa kwija kwakira president injaho n'abandi bakiriyoni beija ntwena ngo ba akireje president arugor Rukungiri inenteka teke ndijo etari ya butosha ubundi tukayongeraho tugire ibindi bitwakora
kare general webare munonga ogwe ni general Henry tumukunde kandi nwaye ne bendera habwe kibina cha NRM kandi ahabwa rukungiri municipality wahura ebyetengo byo kugira ngo omucuro eri kwije myaka 5 NRM kwe kukora nkahanguto amashanyaraze kongere kare nguna municipality yaterera ebintu bikizana bibaje omu security naho yagambaho kace wabo muhurire konkantu wenda kukonyiza kumanyisa ngo omushahanche naza kubana ika chairman wa NRM kwenda kushobora hari yabo message nashomura ngo gwabe natera omucweke cyo mukurambura abe nagira ngo batwirende bagamba ngo amashomero gacomeseze busabana kandi ni enshongemwe yamjemeserize kugira ngo atandike hubs ezakubasa kubaniziyamba omunya Uganda ahubwo kugira ngara amashomero agine agaba abagarebera nkaba PTA nebintu bingi ebikubanirwa twenda gamba na engineer Jonad kandogunwe chairperson vice chairperson ahabwa burengeruze twakwakira engineer turi live at Tayari West
Tayari oye
okay
nkubasima nywena abakundora Tayari TV kandi nanya balombyoma mwebale muno kyale tukumalira Kigezi sub-region tukatandikira Kisoro twaja Rubanda Kabale Rukiga Kanungu niho nkuruga sazino kandi tuli hati rukongere amazimako Kigezi sub-region etolekeze love nkusima inywena bakuthondera Tayari TV kandi nkusima abo bona abatusagikire nkusima naba mobilizers bona I'm very so happy actually abantu bayijuire abantu bali very organized kandi muzeyi bakumulekya love taroho kukaka taroho gambangu ija by force His Excellency agenda kufuna percentage inkoto omukigezi sub-region kandi nkubakakasa tukurugano ntutandikira isinjiro tomorrow then tugenda Ntungamo that is Ankole region for Kigezi sub-region nkubakakasa nti tugenda kolera haiguru kandi nka national vice chairman wa Western Uganda muzeyi barabarugere mu region yange by 16th December yakubani ngaruka still again kuhereza obwire region yange naba mobilizers abandi nabatayi bange nkatayebwa ne group zona trying to kora to making sure anti to consolidating a performance ya His Excellency no kusinga hebayireho
injiriya muku mobilizing no kuronda bushakije bwe kibina cha NRM ni manichi agomuntu atarukureba yagobe no kozisa kuba tukureba umurayimurayite burahamwe
ati ekyo kubanza nyoni nkosa ideology ya muzeyi nagamba okungaba yusi n'abakazi ekitebe obwa wachikureti ngoba wachihamani hatunya ekintu ekindi nkasoma ideology ya muzeyi eyakutugamba then ekintu kindi nokusose ninga pate if you read obokusoma a manifesto ya NRM eri nkoto muno kandi alimu ebintu bingi hatinka nyowe nyende obumu n'abantu kujja hamu nikyo kurora busaho munyanzi gwa wange wena buli muntu wena nkubaza nawe nabaye batakwatagana nkubaleta hamu we talk together abo kwani manya mu leadership comes from God era nkubasaba nti inywena abantu akahikiro ngenda kubahikaho
message ya structures zawe ezuru kwembera kurugaha grassroots kuba hati rukungiri yahwa nchakari twatandika isinjiro na ntungamo message yo kwereza ababuwasi gumuru rukungiri nangwa na districts turigire mu nyuma abaziyo nani
okay ati nkaba Kigezi sub-region na mbitu atandikire kandi ntumara kya lero ekyo kubanza tugenda kuba ntulonkinga the structures ezinde ahandi tukozere kituzirongingirira ahandi tugenda kuba ntutera campaign okurugira hansi mpaka haiguru na weke nkubaterera akwija aba secretariat abatwavetingire twakoma bagenda ku traininga kutandikira ha Paris level na mbitu na structures ya abantu nkaga na basatu okusomesa manifesto okusomesa ebintu bya muzeyi akuterera muno nka PDM na buli kintu kiona nabakyo nkuterera inyenywena abagenda kuba mulo haho nti singa structures ziba zizire hanze kutera akarukanyo obarundi kubaza nainywe mubatangire kandi mugende maiso okuba ni musageka
babare munonga engineer kandi ntukusima na nobohereza minware echaha muheru nanda kuchikubuza mobilization yawe na numukugira ngo nokunga emnyeto na abakazi niki ekintu cyo kugira tati eminyeto neza kukiganyirwamu na nabakazi omyaka etane
hati nyowe mubano hura muzeyi ekyagamba akurwanisa kurora production yeihanga eyeyongeireho abana ba yusi beyongeire obwingi tuli bichweka nsanju na bisatu omba yusi kyonka production yabwe kyali hansi abo abakora bakasobora kuleta entahya bakasevingaho kandi bakasasura no musoro. So his excellency mu manifesto neroho nkwa kumobilizing amuna ba yusi na abakazi tugeza okurora nti how can we involve abantu abo, the youth, the women, okurora nti bakombeka eihanga lyabo iwe nomanya if consumption is higher than the production eihanga likwali genda koraki okura era nkuterera inyenywena mujumbire emikoro ya PDM mujumbire World Circulation mujumbire nebintu byona ebisakurugamu esente kandi tukasobora okuba naite ndukora kintu gobororwamu kandi nkusemba inimba saba ningenda mwankole region nintangira muzeyi mwankole region naitoleka tumoleke vibe kandi competition nero arasinga kusupportinga his excellency oba NRM mpate omu district yaye mazimako tugenda kwantu mekiseme kekusingaye
webare mnonga engineer Jordan kandi ogunwe vice chairperson ahabwa burengeru izoba ahabwe kibina cha NRM message wajhura ebibajemere iserize kukora omuchweketi nangwa na entekateka yekibina cha NRM omu region tuine flag bearer ahabwa ishaza area Ruhinda South Honorable atwerire Kazora twakwakira turi tayari wese
kare yabare munonga abarukundeba amazina niraka Honorable Kazora MP flag bearer abwa Ruhinda South nyenda kusima abantu barukungiri kandi ba neighbor bitu kandi ahanu yano hondo kuyiho mukazi aha atanu yandiyo mbata tazara twantwen twino kubaherezo muzi abwo kwakira president Ruhemba Gwenjura kandi kamarayo byona kandi nija kubaho muzi kandi tubashaba ibiro bishata abanyarukungira umwena mitoma yona nagireta na leta basi ishatu okwija kubashendekereza kwakira president ibiro bishatu nimwe mwije mutereza muzi twakire president obwo protecting the gains.
Honorable omuru burengero izoba ne gain cinkemo yo kurebera kugira ngo buri munya Uganda sheme kuterera General Akarura
gain yo kubanza no kugira ngo twine peace and security omu ankore yona na no mu western yona abantu no babyama bimuka ebintu byabo bir protected umuntu akore senteze azibika umuntu akora business ye prosper etunguka so twine kabikona ekindi cya kabiri hati hizire parish development model umuntu weno waba atakafuna gaka sente hata abantu bonana bakwata kasente omushaho factory izi ziriyo nzija ati ndiyo ni nyombe ka factory yo mwani ntunga muhari yo factory zindi na nebindi ekindi cya kabiri nka hati kuruga kuzakanungu chantangaza his excellency president okuzakanungu yagendera ruguto rwa Koranse nambwe hati itito abamitoma tiriyo ntishaba ngo kisangiye cyo kitwaza kuzamo his excellency president oruguto rwitu rwakwahabwohe kurugaha ko witwara bamutara na rwetu rukore ensiyona eterereje
babare mnonga Honorable Arthur atwerire Kazora kandi ogune flag bearer ahabwa ishaza area Ruhinda account kuriya omurmetoma General Ngarshi chairman w'ekibineki naija kubari omu district ya Mitoma ebiro bisatu okwezi kuyikumi nebiri omwaka ogutwakwakira iroko oze kurunda karuru ka General ezo nenshonga zimwe zitanu zimwe omustrekeki eziri kongera koreka ngo omunya Uganda hine ekimuyambere ahantunguka ecyashime kuba naterera akaruraka ekibina echa inarempreba ngo bayongera no kushagika hamwe no kurunda obwebembezi izo bari yanye nchakare General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni naza kuba ari omu district ya Isingiro omukasheshe naho aharabe nahereza umuranga narishinagamba abintu ebyo ebyari kureba ngo omunya Uganda shime kuba nagwa then bazyo kuba ari mu district ya Ntunga mu bwanyuma ayongera mu district ya Kazo hamwe na Kirwa tuya stadium ahacayi main stadium cyarukungera district nagambira ngo mukasha yabanzo muri Kanungu ntiyongera yo no kugamba n'abantu bamwe na bamwe nanagambira ngo mu communication kuyihanatandaka mu regiones no kugira ngo abe nagamba aha abantu nokureba ngo bakora trappers nkina ezirimo ebyo bwegese ezirimo ebyo kwerinda nabinje munonga hamwe n'abana okushoma obundi akagira ecyabayambaho okureta entunguka omutrekeki twine honorable Ndijo flag bearer omwami Rutahigwa abenu yatugambira entekateka nerizoba General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni orechairman w'ekibina cya Rwangiseriza naija omu district ya Rukungiri aha twemerire omukushaba obushagiki nogera ngo myaka makumyana ehwire hariho geine kozirwa mu trekeki eyabanya Uganda bashimye kubanda mwikiriza makamereza akaruru omurundo gundi
webale munonga izina once again Dr. Rutahigwa kandi member wa parliament abwa Rukungiri municipality irizoba twino kushemererwa kwango akwanza kwakira president witu kandi uri chairman w'ekibina cya Rwangisiriza NRM nitusimo bwebembezi bweye kandi ntekateka ngo nitwe nk'abanyarukungiri tugobire munonga cyangwa munonga no mwihanga ryona n'ekintu cy'obusinge abo kuba omubusinge buli kimwe cyona nimuri kubasa kukikolera mbwe n'obusinge bwatuhire bwebembezi bweye nicyo turi kumusimira nikikuru munonga kitungiremo ecya kabiri no kuleta entunguka kandi kagendera kimwe aha family level aha umuka y'umuntu mbwe nomanya tukata akaleta programs nyingi ya leta programu ya parish development model abantu nibatunga sente mutatunga miliyoni aplaninga okufamily yeye eri kubasa kubaho wazo mujyo bwegese president w'itogu akaleta empinduka mpango munonga mujyo bwegese kureba ngo buli parish eyine primary school buli second buli gombora bine ishomero rya senior mbwenu ubone byo bwegese abikozire kurunje munonga wazabya amagara hihi buli here center buli gomborora hati ngicyo kunu ya Rukungiri atwina n'amagomborora agari kurenzya here center series ibiri nahandi gashanga ziriho nishatu twine za here center 4 zona nizikora oze buhunga nizikora oze bugangari nekora oze kebisoni nekora kandi hatu omuri Rukungiri municipality ya undi kwebembera naho here center 4 twamazire kombe kasiyeta batanakira
ebintu kano bigamba rukushango byahuireyo ahabwe nsebe kwantongera ko akaruru munyegana
umuntu yakweyire okarangu aliyo na leta entunguka ntibani cyenda ngo ugume nawe ebyoyine obirindi yes abokuba wafata kumurekura obundi ntagire mbere zindi ezahinduka ngeni nyena ngushabe abanyarukungiri bona nyenda nshabe abanya-Uganda ukureba ngo bahereza obushagiki president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yagaruka omuntebe kandi hamwe n'abafraga beara bitu bona abaryaha abakwasire bendera honda hubali ahabwo kuba niyo sotakakora wenka nabana enda baliya abarije kumukwasa abareve zindi zasa
babare munonga Dr. Elisa Rutahigwa kandi omunyishengero ahabwa Rukungiri municipality ntwenda kongerayo kugamba n'abantu bamwe batara bamwe na bamwe ahabwe strekeki okureba entunguka niki ebyo bikozwe nka gains eziba kugira ngo niba protectinga omutrekeki twakwakira cheba ya manu wa NRM ariyo nataya ya omutrekeki erizoba ni gains iki aha myaka yawe itwa bane zitakureba ezimu kugira ngo zishemeye kuba ziba protected
yes amazina nkatebera Anderson Charles wabiyabe chairman wa district yitwe ya Rukungiri kandi ogarikire abwe bikorwa birunje bwebembezo burunje bagarike bampa flag kandi nyenda kwebaza abanyarukungiri abateze bakaruru abo kumperezo bahagizi obwambase kukwata flaga kandi nimbashaba ngo bakatereje kamuheru deronzo mu office ngumize munentunguka ya Rukungiri
okushaba karuru nkitanana no kugambira umunya-Uganda ebikozerwe nibikibiha ebiruho yaho ebyo kutugambira twareba tukajya ngo cyane kwantu baherezo bwese
ngweno gains ni nyingi abo kuba hati nuwanoreba niyo hato umunyamakuru nukora interview yo kwenda numuhandike bimkwenda hati gain roje ya yobusingi peace there is abundant peace for most people kandi ntekateka ngo ekyo n'ekintu cyo kiresire ntunguka abakwa woine obusinge then n'ebyo byokushoma akati tukatwine institutions zirinche hatwana oreba amashomero gakayongera nibingi kandi n'ebyo niware noreba na heres ebya no kwa abantu of course ate noreba n'imyaka y'ibakuferaho ikayongera abwe embera y'ihano
abantu abatezi bakarura bari mu Yerobuko mu kitabo cya NRM ntureba mbabare bingi bari miliyoni 16 no garayigoro ayikuretera muturere mukora mobilization kandi mukora rallies in case ahabwe ncyari ya muhero ntuba turi miliyoni 6
of course harwe bintu bingi abahandikirwe nebingi wonka sometimes akarahi bakuza katera abandi babagire kuronde mirimo abandi ubundi bari mu mashomero abandi n'entambure bahonkejo kandi ebintu nkebyo mbwene konka nyoni ni ntekateka ebyo bintu byahandi mu nsezi nazo abo kuba hati of course ibakutera karuro bundi shangara hari kandi abandi batine mani mbwene logistics obundi shagaza kumara. Yes.
Jamani ni message cye yo kwereza emenyeto kugira ngo nane kibiri cye kwane gumane ikikerereza mu past imyaka 40
nyoni injira ngo emenyeto nkabe nimbashaba ngo akwatanise na government ero eje president atandika kandi ezindi zakanya emenyeto ati egumiserizeho abamwe nimanya twakatunje emirimo abo kuba emirimo konka ninde bariyo ba building industrial base amakorera bariyo bagongeraho kandi emwe nisho mirimo kabe ni jangwe eminyeto emwe bakore emishomo asa kwekozesa of course in polytechnics baza mu bijamo skills ezikubasa kubayamba bo creating ana jobs.
Bari munonga chairman kandi flag bearer ahabwa NRM mu district ya Rukungiri. Inaka kakweba
niyenda kwendera ndokushaba ngo tutere president Museveni akarokenje mu kigezi yona na Rukungiri ni particular yendo tukore ntunguka yihanga ryetu rya Uganda.
Bari munonga katwikirize oyongereyo oze kurunda no bushaji ahabwa chairman w'ekibina kandi oriyo naza kwija izo abantu nuko kuba noreba bingi kandi abahika kutandukana shayibiri abeshongozi barho ombantu abekwe imbere kibina cya Rwanyisiriza abashyira kuna kwasa kutera hotoki no kugira ngo harho urukwebembera okushuganisa enshonga zishengero Right Honorable Anita Among harho Bishop wa League omuyihanga Madam Indide Mwesije n'abandi bingi abari bagezaho ku shagatira chairman wabo wa NRM General Kaguta Museveni kureba ngo obwebembezi hamwe n'ubushagiki bwayongera umucwekeki no kureba ngo abanya-Uganda bakayongera no kutambuza enjiri yo kureba ngo bahereza ihangeryo baraga omuntebe baza omundijo ntoyongerayo no kutambura kurunda ubushagiki kureba ngo abantu bona batunga obushaki narshi okwikiriza ahari yebyo ebikozerwe ekibina cya NRM omuntunguka yekibina eki mbone ntwengera kubagambira ngo omudakika nche kurganeje shaha chairman wa NRM naza kubana ikaha kishahe eki okwenda kureba ngo yashaba obushagiki kandi biheyo na nabantu abana abanyeganda kureba ngo bayongerayo abantu bakiri bingi hariho na urukwebembera nitaro kwerarikirira kandi umukanya kake kurgegesha nza kuba ntureba chairman nayijaha nkoko kure abantu bariho bingi betebekanisize okumwakira aha kishayi nicyo kimwe ecyarukungiri main stadium katawe ntweyongerayo ahashaheji egi ngambira ngo abantu bakiri bingi nko muranga gwa NRM na general manifesto ye omyaka 5 yatwire na yaronderaho obushagiki omucekeki no kugira ngo nibingi efye bikorwa nangwa no munya Uganda ebyashemerire kuba nareba ngo nakora yagobamu omuganyirwamo turiyo ntuza kwakira Emmanuel Dombo oguni omwe ombatuizeho ekibina cha NRM okoreba ngo cyaza omisho kandi akabaho munyishengero ntwenda kugamba nawe yo musuru kamuya live on Tayari West
nashemererwa okubaha aha Rukungiri. The first time I was with the Tayari in West Nile when we were beginning the campaigns. We have moved with the Tayari all the way. Now we are concluding Kigezi sub-region today. And in the evening, we are going to have the press conference with His Excellency the President at his home in Ntungamo. So I urge the Tayari listeners and viewers to watch in the evening. But the campaign is good, and we are grateful to the people and leaders of Kigezi sub-region.
Can you highlight to us some of the gains that the region has that they should protect?
There are so many gains. When President Museveni came here, we had a population of 14 million. We are now about 50. That is a huge gain because that population is the market for Ugandans, it is the army for Ugandans, it is the force that produces, it goes in the gardens, they are the young people in the schools, and it's because of the health programs and the good health interventions like immunization that have been done. But the most important one is security. The people of Rukungiri know because you are here, you are near DRC, you are near Rwanda, you have seen what insecurity can do to other countries. As here, because of security, you can see Rukungiri is transforming and is becoming a very important area. Secondly, when you look at Ntunguka, the people of Rukungiri, I saw Rutoche, I saw Mwanyi, I saw progress, what people are doing, and this is very good and we encourage. So development in the social structure and in the economic infrastructure, you see that there is a lot that has happened. When you look at jobs, private sector has come in here and is giving people jobs. Many private people. When you look at free education, when you look at the universities that have been constructed, you can see that really there has been a lot of transformation, and the president will be talking about most of these gains this evening. Tune in and listen to him.
Thank you, Honorable. Tuenjerayo ejon message eyuahura Emmanuel Dombo yanashobora ahabanya Uganda kandi na press conference ebingi biza kubaho mwabazyo kandi ntwenda kubamanyisa ngo nibingi ebyo nibikorwa zagambaho na Honorable Ndijo ahanshonga zo ku protecting against na munonga umucheka echa Kigezi sub-region twakwakira turi live aha Tayari West General w'ekibina president kandi chairman w'ekibina cha NRM Mario Naija aha umwabazi gwirizoba umukushaba obushagike ni gains kihimwe nk'abakazi ezirimu ezimuje kwa muhereza akaruraka.
Izina ninye Dr. Sylvia Tumuhirwe ari neitwe kandi hatiya oyine bendera abwentebe y'abakazi ya Rukiga district indiaha Rukungiri nanye kwegita abanyarukungiri ndamunonga kandi uturkwenda kushagika mpaka arahire kandi akasinjira iguru na pasenti eri kurenga obucweka 95 aharigana mbwenu umuramwa gwa campaign eji no protecting against ninga kulinda ebirungi ebitwatungire kandi obwe turi kurindira ebirungi bingi ebiri kwisha ni bingi mazima ebitutungire obusinje nico cyo kubanza ahiguru twena turiyo mu businje buri omwe nakore cyari kwenda ombusinje eco nikikuru munonge ntunguka yatureteire esente zemyoga esente zabona bagiga esente za youth livelihood esente za PDM nabinje bikozirwe ngudo amashanyarazi ameizi ebintu nkebyo nitwenda ngu tubikuume kandi n'ebirukorwa nabyo byongere kukorwa kandi waza naha bakazi nangwa omukazi okuba empowered ningo kutunga obugabe kugira ngo nawe nabasa kuzombururu nko kutuburumu kandi no korenda ijo mirimo eyi babira bakazi batakora emyaka yenyuma.
Honorable omu communication ya president nyomo abaziyo omuroro kiga yaraga yari kuza kabare nibice byagambira mu myaka 5 byakuza kukorera abantu ba district ejo iyo yinire bendero bwahati
nyomwe bazito barukiga kandi ningira no ku nihanga ryo no kutwariza hamwe ekintu cyentunguka akigambira munonga engudo eziri kuzakorwa amashomero go aga primary kandi naga secondary nangwa na skilling centers, vocational schools, health centers na marwariro ebyo byona abigambireho nangwa nebya obuhinji agambira ibintu bya irrigation plan zezayinire abahinji okugira ngo bafuhirire ebyo kurya byabo bezo kukiraho kandi atoreka na examples nyingi eziri okwe ezabire na chomesa akutoreka abatungire nkoko abebitocha bapibida babushenyi nebindi bingi so entanda ni mpango program ni mpango ekitu ebiri 15 tumuha karuro mbwijwire aze agaruka teje kazo mu ntebe rero ebyo byaturaganise bikorwe ensiyite gendo meisho
babare mnonga honorable ahabwa ebyo ebwagabanaho n'abantu ba Kigezi hamwe n'aba witomerero omurukungiri ayituza kwakira chairman wa NRM omukanya kake omukwenda kuronda obushaji ncengerayo no kugamba n'abantu bamwe abatara bamwe ahanshongezi omukureba ngu hine bingi ebikozerwe naritibiho ebikozerwe obundi omya Uganda akamanya ngu hariho niki ekyako na nobuhwezi tuzegambaho na industrial hubs turebe omushwekeki niki kikozerwe kandi niki ekigihugu cyongera na no kwisa omya Uganda entaranta narisha amani gokoreba ngu ashemeye kuba nahereza akaruru turi achai main stadium omurukungiri kandi General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni president we ihangeri naza kushaba obushagiki imwe ngo mubene mukunga abantu no kubarundana ni gain ziki ezitukureba ngu kandi tumuhereza obwebembezi.
First of all, na indokusima abantu betu kunjiri. Mostly the leaders for the mobilization and unity. Okubade okusasosola okwegata kuno kwekulese abantu banji okutasosola madini okutasosola basically unity. We want to thank them so much for that. One of the gains we must protect jealously is peace. Because without peace we are seeing Rukungiri developing hotels, what, and so many other things. But peace is the only gain. First, we must protect jealously. Abantu ba Rukungiri, abantu ba Kigezi, tubadde Kisoro, tubadde Kabale, abantu bakulakulanyi. Naye twebaza president okusomesa kwe. President asomeseza abantu enjawulo wakati wa development and wealth. Twalete tubitegeera bulungi. Katulowooza enguudo bwe zibaawo olutuba lwagagga naye abantu beno baakulakulana ddanga n'enguudo teziriiwo. But we want to thank them so much. Twagala okubeebaza okunga abantu ne bajja okwaniza president. Kati kyetubasaba okujja mu bungi kulale kyanjawulo.
Uri omwe ombabe bateekateekaho narusho kurundara abantu na n'eminyeto abaye barigire nko mu mashomero batakweyamba kuza omu industrial hubs hine kizoyongereho aha mu Uganda.
One, tulowooza nti abavubuka ebimu president byasinze obakolera okuba someseza obwereere wadde ngateekawo UPE naye kino ekyokubatomesa emirimu gy'omutwe kintu kyamaanyi nnyo ate kyongedde abavubuka essuubi because much as banafa balala basiga obukyayi ne President Museveni asiga okwagala abaana bafunye essuubi abavubuka bolaba basobola okufuna emirimu weewaawo nti enamba ekyali ntono but tulowooza with time ejja kweyongera. Ekirala PDM abantu ndowooza waliwo amaka agamu mu byalo eyo agabadde gatafunanga ku sente nga oli tafunanga ku 1 million naye abantu beeno naddala Lukunjiri gye tubadde kigeziwa sente ezo bazikozeseza bulungi nti sente ezo bazifunye bazibye obubbi sente badde baziweereza eyo mu bitundu gye tubadde nga abantu bazeza neeno abantu balina omutima ogw'obusaasizi okuwa abantu baabwe sente so therefore byetumu byetwenyumirizaamu ffe nga NRM kwe kuba nti nulira abavubuka betwogerera olwaleero wano 15,000 zivudde mu FDC bali wali 5,000 bavudde mu FDC benjoyinize NRM so tulowooza nti akalulu Lukunjiri tujja kufuna nayo 10 ku 10 naye kyenkubiriza abantu kati bebale kujja mu numbers abantu baffe mwenna abali abali ku Tayali TV essaawa eno tubeebaza nnyo okujja ku Raale mwebale naye kye tubasaba kati mugende nga 15 mulonde Yoweri Kaguta Museveni 15 tewali muntu akutiisatiisa mulabe Tayali TV omala kulonda nogera nolaba Tayali TV akalulu kubakalege olaba n'okulaba results Tayali TV eno tujebaza ebadde Kamoja ebadde Wakiwa etubadde Aluwa Pakwachi Gulu yonna mwebale kubeerayo Ajumani abantu tubebaza mwebale nnyo kulaba Tayali TV mwebale kuweereza abavubuka bato Tayali TV tubasaba abantu mwongero babuulire ebigenda mu maaso ate mmwe mwebale obutasiga bukyayi mulagira ddala namba yaffe entuufu nti abantu bawagira president 15 tugende tulonde President Museveni abantu beno bangamba balinamu okweyagala bakitata mu Lunyankole okwekunda kujja kubaawo ng'omaze kulonda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bwana kuba kaluluko ogende weekunde munonga mwebale
munonga toyongerayo n'okuguma ntugamba ashonga z'ekicweka ebintu ebirikubaho ebibashemye kubona baterera karuru ahabwa okuhereza ekibina kyarwangisiriza enchuro endijo mu kutwara wembezomu katubanze tugarikeho aha stage ahi right honorable Anita Among ariyo nayongeraho no kugambana n'abantu nwabembire abariyo mbashaba akarurako na munonga umushahanje president kandi chairman wa NRM naza kuba natwegitaho
Museveni oye. I want to introduce Honorable Akifensa Grace. Honorable Akifensa, just wave. Honorable Akifensa.
Lukunjiri oye. Nibanyeta Honorable Akifensa Grace Ngabirano ndio wakisoro kandi nija kuhagira abanyarukunjiri ngo tuhagire NRM tujiho bururu bwinji bantu banje. Muraza kubumuha emikono higuru tureba bwa Museveni burinka he munyoreke mwebare
thank you thank you Honorable Sylvia Dr. Sylvia greet your people
Museveni oye NRM oye baranyeta Dr. Sylvia tumuhirwari neitwe oyine bendera y'abakazi ba Rukiga ndabakunda munonga Rukunjiri nibereza Museveni akaruru mupubireo haleluya
amen Honorable Azora any other
Hello Museveni oye Museveni oye mazina nabanyeta Honorable Asa Kazora MP Fraga Beara abwaruhinda South kandi abari abarukungiro muri kukira kumanya ko wakazora foundation nani ntekwa kuijaha abwe ko becweka cyango ecyarukungira inchatana na mitoma abanyamitoma nabahagera abanyarukungiri kandi abanyarukungiro bahagera abanyamitoma Museveni oye right Honorable Speaker oye ntwenda muterera Museveni akaruru 99 abwo guhita mitoma ntwenda kumuhereza 100% kandi rizobo butuje kubaho muzi ntwenda nimwe biro bishatu mwije tuze mitoma twakire president omukundwa kandi ukozere bintu byona akahereza security akahereza PDM ebintu byona mu 17 cyatakozere kureka ecyasagarire no kumurongora karuru 100%.
Thank you.
Konka abanyarukungira ntubashabeki obururu numuha 80% konka ntwenda mutere 100% with numbers, not with small numbers. Mwebare munonga, mwebare kumpurikiza.
Thank you. I want to introduce Honorable Minister Henry Musasisi Omojo.
Abanyarukungira miliyo mugumire. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Mwaganzire ninga. Nimuhumre President Museveni nichimara njara. Ngene njara niriho byona yija byona birahwera aho. Baranyeta Musasizi Henry owitu ni mu Rubanda ndi MP wa Rubanda East kandi ndi Minister w'ebyesente omu government ya Uganda. Ngeno naija hanuya okusaba karuru ka NRM okusaba karuru ka President Yoweri Museveni kandi itwenka kibina cha movement turahagira abine bendera za movement ngenu kahanu ya Rukungira municipality itwe tugiye nyuma ya General Henry tumukunde oye hatwaza y'abakazi itwe tugiye nyuma ya Mama Rubabo Honorable Paula tujyayikayo Paula oye Hasitwaza ya Rubabo tuli enyuma ya Masiyasi oye kandi twaza haya RC5 tuli na Katebire ngero ndabashaba ngumuterere President Yoweri Museveni nabo bona abine ebendera za movement kandi cyamuheru kambagambira abanyarukungiri omuri Kigezi tuliyo turahakanira ogwo kubanza ka districts mukaga zirimo ngana abanyarukungiri ndenda ngo munsinge mu Rubanda mwereze mikono mwamura ciciriza mu Rwasa kunsinga percentage mu Rubanda kale nanye naza kuza kuri nsikane nimwe musikane twena twayigana harigana twena baratwe biconco Museveni oye
NRM oye I have the second members of the youth.
Ogornara zoetera eminyeto.
NRM oye. Emyeto oye. Erukunjiri oye. Museveni vimba. Museveni vimba. Ra. Cha. Amazina Bampita Tanga Collins. The second member or National Youth Chairperson. The women. Eransa nsababu sabi Rukunjiri tukwatire dala tunyweze tuwagire yo kuta Museveni ya ina progressiveness itambula je tuetaga neba flag bearer bafebo na Rukunjiri oy Yoweri oy ra.
Thank you. NRM oye. Give Paula. NRM oye. Give Honorable Paula to translate. Okay. I have a SEC member here.
I'm a member of SEC Hanu.
And he says because he loves the people of Rukungiri. First of all, he's a proprietor and the owner of Kampala International Universities.
Kando gumpa nuwe mukama waza university zona za Kampala International.
All KIU for Basaja Balaba.
Kandi zona za university za Kampala International University nezeye.
And he has said he wants to bring KIU in Rukungiri.
Kandi yajirangwa lenda kuleta university Rukungiri Bugaro.
when he brings a university in Rukungiri, 100 students get scholarship for free. And here he is, he wants to speak to you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Movement oye! Baraba Hassan, ninjani mumanyi. Hati ngaspiko kuyabagambira Honorable Tumukunde yanshaba ngo turete university aha. Kandi namushabe kintu kimwe namujyangwa mfunde eka agati y'itano ni 10 yaji mfu yari mfunda rihine tauni esa omwako kusaho nimba ninjitandika wa kandi twicerezana etbashaba nimba saba ngumuterera abantu abashire nambwe nasanga muino mugisha mwina rebo Tumukunde senior person yatandikira kushaka na reba na Jim Muhwezi na nabandi nimba saba mbaterera ki konka mbanze mutera karuka president oha kandi ekindi ekinanyenda kubagambira abantu barukungiri nimukira kutera obururu mutera buke oshange emitwaro eriyo kutera bururu 30 mutere emitwaro 15 na nimba saba ngwito bari kutera karuru mugire ki mwize mutera karuru mutere president Museveni mutere Tumukunde mutere na flag bearers abantu Museveni oye movement oye entrepreneurs oye amazina ganyana nagabagambire niye chairman w'abashuvu zo mu Uganda yona niye chairman entrepreneurs ligo movement nimba saba karuruka president Museveni nimba saba karuruka flag bearers mukabahereza bona mukabaha kumuraka bahereze nanyi nimba letera university ninjiteka rukunji na president.
Thank you. I also want to introduce Honorable Jim Muhwezi.
Ati ndenda kubanjulira Honorable Jim Muhwezi.
Honorable
Minister wa Security.
And is a member, a flag bearer for Rujumbura County.
Kandi niwe okwasire bendera ya Rujumbura ishaza rya Rujumbura.
He's waiting for the president. The president is coming with him.
Ategereze president yabwo kubali kwijana president.
And those who love Jim, please put up your hands.
Kanda barakunda Major General Jim Muhwezi mwereze mkono.
Jim Muhwezi oye! Jim Muhwezi oye! I want to introduce Honorable Rwakajara.
Aenda kubanjurira Honorable Rwakajara,
the member of parliament representing workers.
Kandi orajwetera abakozi omu parliament.
You greet the people.
Yebale right Honorable Speaker. Honorable Museveni oye! Flag bearers oye! Mwebale munonga kwijana banyeta arina itwe katambuka Rwakajara ninjwekera abakozi omu ishenjero. Kandi ninye chairman w'abakozi omuseke. Ninyenda kubebaza okwagira movement, nyenda kubebaza okwagira President Museveni, nyenda kubebaza okwagira ba flag bearers beitu. Mwebare munonga, mwebare omuhagizi, mugumize muno muhagira, mtubeshengereza, mwije mutera karuru, muhagire NRM ahagwe birundi byekore iri hange. Tuko NRM oye! Museveni oye! Rukunjiro oye! Mwebare munonga mukama bakume.
Thank you, thank you. We have the Secretary General here.
Secretary General
the Secretary General is the custodian of our party.
Kandi niwe arakulira ekibina kyeitu.
And we want to thank him for always being there for the party.
Kandi turamusima munonga habwo kutubeeraho nke ekibina kya NRM.
And this is Right Honorable Todong.
Ogumpaha niwe Right Honorable Todong.
We can only be proud that we have NRM. kandi tushemerewe kwepaka okugira ngo twine
but because we have somebody who is in NRM,
kandi twine omuntu oryo mu kibina
I want us to clap our hands for the Secretary General.
Mumuterere mu ngaro Secretary General wetu.
And we want to request you people of NRM,
kandi turabashaba ba member mwe nabarya
do
aba NRM,
not allow to be intimidated by opposition.
kandi mureke kutinatinisibwa abekibina ekira
Just walk
tuhakanisa,
with your heads straight
kandi mugume mutambule no mitwa yanya heiguru,
and say we belong to NRM.
kandi mugire ngo imutwe tukiba member bekibina,
And we are going to vote for NRM from top to bottom.
kandi turaza kuterera ekibina kya NRM kuruga heiguru mpaka na hansi.
Secretary General, talk to your people.
Secretary General, gamba n'abantu bawe.
NRM hoye! Rukungiri hoye! I'm going to be very brief, but I'm going to say very important things.
Ndaza kugamba ho bice konke bintu bikuru munonga.
We need to thank Rukungiri
Turenda kusima Rukungiri munonga.
that the daughters and sons of Rukungiri, together with General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, laid foundation
Abashaija n'abakyara ba Rukungiri bakataho musinje gw'amaani habwa NRM omugeni.
and some of them are still among us, and some are our flag bearers.
kandi abamwe bakyali neitwe kandi abamwe nibo batwatire ne bendera.
We need as a party to thank General Jim Muhwezi, General Tumukunde so much for the foundation of movement that they have laid.
Tuletenga kusima Major General Jim Muhwezi hamwe na Lieutenant General Tumukunde habwo kutaho gumusinje omugeri ihanga.
I need to reveal something to you, the people of Rukungiri.
Ndenda kugira kinabagambiraho abanyarukungiri.
I joined NRM because of General Tumukunde.
Akataho mu kibina kya NRM habwa Lieutenant General Tumukunde.
It was General Tumukunde who trained me and recruited me in NRM.
Kandi General Tumukunde niwe yanshomesize kandi akantasya mu kibina kya NRM.
I was a student leader at Makerere University.
Akaba aryo mwebembezi achayega mu Makerere University.
He trained me how to be a cadre,
akamushomesa okwara abase kuba kada,
how to operate at night when the masses are resting.
kandi yamushomesa kukora mu kiro abantu bona bagwejeje.
Because he told us as cadres
akabagambira nkabakada
that at night when good people are resting, the bad people are moving.
Abwo kuba mu kiro abantu baba bagwejejire abantu abarungi ababi baratambura.
So if you want to guard the revolution, you have to move at night to look at the bad people who are harming the people.
Kandi waboryo kada murungi uratekwa kumurareba okugira ngo jezeho kulinda aba bantu abarungi.
So I need to thank you for giving him the flag and for voting for him.
Ndabasima munonga abwo kumuhereza flaga kandi nabwo kumuterera karuru.
I need to thank you for voting General Jim Muhwezi as our flag bearer.
Ndenda kubasima abwo kuterera General Jim Muhwezi akaruru kandi mukamuhereza na flag.
For us who come from the north,
abararuga mu north,
the peace we have in the north
obusinja bubine omunosi
were brought by your sons who are now flag bearers here.
Obwo businje bukaletwa batabane beitu abatkwatire bendera kuno.
So we are here to thank you, to appreciate. We need to protect the gains.
So yibeja hanuya sima nk'abanyarukunjiri habwo kukwatirira babana mukaba kwase bendera kandi kugezaho kuma nebituganyirwe mu omubwebembezi bwa NRM.
We have talked for long and I think we need to
hati yagamba munonga hatuletenga kuzina mu vibe.
NRM oye! National Vice.
Kandi nka Vice Chairperson wa kabiri omuyanga lyona.
Now, as a Speaker of Parliament,
nkomwebembezi wa Parliament,
I want to ask one of my ministers to tell you whatever is in the NDP4 that is meant for Rukungiri.
Ati alenda kushaba minister omwe okugira ngo atugambire biri mu NDP yakana.
NRM oye! Ngenu nkoku speaker yanshaba eji district ya Rukungiri omu National Development Plan 4 tukakoragana na mugenzi witu Honorable Jim Muhwezi. By the way, Honorable Jim Muhwezi oye ngene tukakoragana nawe omu NDP 4 twatamo oruguuto rwa Rukunjiri Kashenshero Mitoma. Twasha twakoragana nawe twatamo oruguuto rwa Kabwohe Kitagata Rukunjiri. Twasha twakoragana nawe twatamo oruguuto rwa Muhanga Kisizi rwa Shamire. Na nebindi mu by'amashomero murankishomero rya Makobole akatugambira twarita mu NDP 4 turenda kushuba kulikora ngenu Major General Jim Muhwezi no mukozi munonga ngenu mutamwima karuru muterera karuru kinji kugira ngo NRM gume inamani muri Rukunjiromu.
Thank you. Now when you have General Jim Muhwezi, put General Henry Tumukunde, put Paula, put Matthias. What else? Cream de la cream. I want to introduce Peace Rugambwa, Presidential Advisor. Let me now give the minister to greet you. Honorable Dr. Bario Musi.
NRM oye! Rukunjiri kamutine mani kaga kanungu. Umurangiza kuterera. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Fraga Beyarazi oye! Nibanyeta Dr. Chris Bario Munsi, member wa parliament wa Chinchizi Kanungu, kandi minister w'amahulire ebyakali magezi no kuhabula ihanga. Twaturi Kanungu twine president kandi tuyije hatiya kubashakika abarukunjiri. Nitubashaba ekintu kimwe muterere Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mumuhereze abene bendera bwendi weterera movement ohuname kusha ebindi ryona muri kwetenga twaturi na Paula turi na ba Matthias ba General Tumukunde General Muhwezi nitubikora movement bayiseho obuhereza mwebale kwejo mwinji mwebagire kwagira movement muhagire Yoweri Museveni n'ababasi abine bendera Rukunjiri egendo misho Museveni oye NRM oye movement oye Anita Mongo oye Fraga Beyarazi oye Bario Musi oye mwebale munonga
NRM oye. I want to give the leader of women. For her, the best thing she can do is to dance for the women. You
Introducing Wanda's multi-purpose disinfectant, your ultimate defense against harmful bugs and germs. With just a few sprays, you can quickly disinfect your toilet, bathroom, urinal, dustbin, kitchen counter, tables, farm tools, children's toys, you name it. Keep your loved ones protected. Choose cleanliness. Choose protection. Choose Wanda's. Always wonderful.
weyita emmere ogire sinaye nga siraba kuwukawaaka weekali wano
teweerabira leta bubiri
sumulula buli alina akacupa kyokunywa kikwongera amaanyi kinywa kufunamu enjawulo kiri ku mutindo w'amanywamu eyo kalimu ebirungo bakalunga jangawuzi bagiteekamu eryomu ombisi gw'enjuki nagwo gusanga omwo kagaba waaka kanyweko n'owulira waaka kombucha drink kyekyokunywa ekisinga byonna era nga kikolebwa kampani y'ekyama enterprises limited kati gwakyetaaze tufunire ku namba z'essimu zino wammanga 0701 734 oba 0783 10 38 waaka kombucha drink gw'oba onywa yekka.
Oria tayari wa Steve twakwakira omukashasho ekyeserebo wawe n'omushiki wanyu Shiba Atwire Nando Love ogomweshongozi kando watire hite ebinji muri kumanya nk'ekina worovu akarugayo kandi hanyuma yo kushanga beshongoze birebe nibakora birthday wish list ninga ibintu bibakabire nibetenga ngo baba nibongera aho mwaka babase kuba nibabahereza nk'ebirabo ebirabo byashabire omu birthday wish list yeye nibinji hari mu motoka hari mu itaka hari mu sente konka kandi chancellor wa Victoria University Vice Chancellor yabasa kuba narugayo mwami Lawrence yagambara Nando Love yamushitamisa ba meeting ya mujatininza kuhitaka omuri cyari wajara Nando Love atyo yagombintu ahabwa birthday wish list kandi yamujirati takeri kurafuno bwire ijambase kuba nindi kurambuza nicibanyisa ngo abeshongoze birebe ntureba barugireyo kandi kushanga ngo harwe bintu nabonka biba kuba bari kwetenga kandi ushanga ngo bafanizo babo ninga bahagize bariyo nibabikora ikirye kintu kirunje. Spice Official ogomweshongozi kuruga omuri Jamaica kandi yabasa kuba ebiro mukaga naza kuba ariyo mu Uganda konka babire niba mwenda kugira ngo ayije yabasa kuba nagira ngo aha social media platforms zeye yateka yagira ngo takija omu Uganda ebiro mukaga ebyo ku 12 nko kwabira kigambere abwo shungaza kugira ngo bakakora agreement na management kandi hamwe na promoter obire naza kumureta mu Uganda no manya unarga kuriya omuri Jamaica yagira ati konke bitwabe tutisize omuri yegindagano banjere kubihikiriza yagira ngo kandi ejo nziza kutuma ntija omu Uganda ishitakumanya nawo kugira ngo shoneza gumiza mu Spice tarho ninga nobaza kuba nobagishaza muto akachimanyere konka ntuza kuchimanya ho misho ukureba show yayiragumizemu ebiro mukaga byo ku 12 konka Spice Official omweshongozi kurgo muri Jamaica yagira we ngutakuza kubarho kandi yagamba abahagizi bababire bamurinzire yagira ngo nimuza kumusasira ahabwe shongejo konkati kora kweye yashanga cyabireho. Omuchala media personality obayeta Victoria Sibia abinje no mumanya kandi nomwe ahari ba news anchors abamana butwine hano ya omu Uganda babase kubana bamutere mbago mu weekend ebire ry'imbaga yechamaho tukareba yakora yafuna engagement hati ya wedding finally yabaho no manya ngo bagira ngo ba media personalities tibakukira kusherwa konke bire biturebire ne baba proving wrong ati wareba Victoria are happily married kandi na yoreka ngo nakunda omushija we mononga wabareba kapeji nerebe kaje kandi nibarungi mononga mbwenu Victoria tumwendeza kandi obushwere burungi we no mushija we. Omweshongozi Thames kurugo muhanga kandi ya Nigeria yirujereyo yateka kandi social media platforms zeye bwanyuma y'abahagizibe na munonga bakurugo mu Uganda gumana bambuza Thames no ijari ya mu Uganda yishe yabasa kuba natekayo akashwani keye akuyizuro mu Uganda kandi bakabasa kuba bamukwata 2020 2012 byo ku 12 kandi yagira eji niyo shonga ahabwenje takuzagaruka mu Uganda no manyongo bobwire bukaburyo bwire bwa lockdown kandi yijana no mweshongozo ndijo omare konka babasa kubani babakwatira omu Uganda babatwarana no mu koti konka we yagira ngo eje shonga yo yonka yo kugira ngo bakamuteka koti bamusaba neza kutuma atagaruka omu Uganda mweni mwe bahagizi ba Uganda bakwenda temuzo mu Uganda ninjirani muhaza kumushanga omahanga gandi konko takayebwa ngo ebyona nabiri kusinga hono za kubishanga mu program yitu inuche extra eriko baho bishaha 11 mpaka shaha emwezo mwazyo ninga shitushanga mikutu yitu Star Times noza kuchanga albinakaga na 8 zuku nshanjo na mshanju azamu bishatu ataona mukaga DSTV bishatungaga na mukaga free to air na hontu baturuho omushwanyu shiba tire akashonsho eche serebo wawe
Topa kubigambo alo mira katwende jagala non-stop wanike mkono emikana chiriwa wanike mikono tugende oh na na everybody sing alo oh na Lukunjiri, haba. Labe pare zayambala. I get you number 1. Take your devil sugar day. Labe pare zayambala. Kalo mubari kwa kuwa. I get you number 1. Muria gamba tilinyuma. Muria gamba nyarema nyuma. Wanika Simpaye Zigida Pulaye Simpaye Wanika emikana ebiri ndabawali Wanika emikana chiriwa Ndete Hiya. It's a weekend, rotating. Nachi, baby girl, Kendeza, Ojaku menyo, oh mama, lawayo, Muzaibu abaja, tipo rinkai, tipo is that stage. Tipo rinkai. Introducing T-Pal. Now, give it to people. Nituenda kwa chira mzei. My people of Rukunjiri. Eminyeto murinkai. Aha. Ninyenda mwena mure. Akaluluka tipo. Tipo. Yes, sebo. No manya mzee alioneja. Mzee alioneja haria. Yeah. Mwenu mzee yeja. Tumwore cherukundo yamani munonga. True. Okay? True. Ninyenda mzee tumwore chechi? Rukundo. Njagala mzee ategere ntino lyaze Rukunjiri nachi? Nalo. Katibu abajja wali. Tugenda kuyimba no change. Tuyimbe yero. Tusobole okujubisa mzee waffe nachi? Nalo. Tugenda mujubisa tukwata t-shirt. Okwate t-shirt, okwate nkofira, okwate buli kyolina. Soko kore muri haso. Oh my God, aha, borekere ni checho. Echo energy twagana nachi? Soko girengo ogitereka amalo kuvaawa. Mbwe ntipo. Tutware mukachi. Tubaze mbahereze kahibishemwe. Yambusa microphone ya tipo. Sawa. Komando. Hechimuri. Sawa. Alright DJ, bawe. Let me be your commando. Kale mpani chino toto. Bobo ya gara tipo mkono kuri wa. Mkono kuri ka. 1, 2, 3.
Gucci, I tell you what's on my mind. You got me wrapped around your arms. What's up, DJ? Oh, can do I'm under your spell. Open the bar when the children are my bed. And let this feeling.
Wali mwabulumi obukasihirira. Yeah, yeah. Koteli kwa zalangi ya chika nyangurira. Muanganga neli kanyanga kowa. Nimurumanya. Tumuyimbireko. I like it when you sing for me. When you sing for me. When you sing for me. I like it when you. Abashisha to the Hawaii.
Let me be your commando. Command.
Let me be your gotta come pull me the hot I'm in your bounce.
Supernova. Baby, come and light the fire.
You go for your love.
Your love, I know it.
One thing.
I wanna do
One, two. See we're going to you turn on to me.
Only come in your bing.
One drop this. Iwo kana horeza nuri nuri komu kati na bata isina kankwetekeza umwiza iweweza iwe drapi wendi kana mikono ya Jimu West mikono ya Jimu West sana Jimu West wana kuna jeno Jimu West sawa yeah sawa sawa wewe the DJ no kumana bikanga mu akona ko tuzende
niwe chimori rose never queen and complete
abo bareche bagambe it's alright kuba niwe wenka
I'm loving
ati kukwata ho until I feel it I'm gonna make sure God when I read it no mutima watu katanga tuzende 1 2 see we never reka bibetsi yewe tiwe wabori nanje na umukunda niwe reka bibebi kando tibimara pulo banza pulo wahuro burungi bwankore n'oburungi bwa n'obunuzi if you love nyankore songs let me see where you are man ni checho genda mish abagenda bareba kugenda genda tinkashobora n'abandi oshotini pubiroti oshotini ndota nyebuza ndinyo bantware rukundo yawe Papa Kenzo, Oriwa, Papa Mwote Nti eya kutonaje, Nti yebare Tumuwe Nti hona weshi kumiwa murunjora Nti hona weshi kanokubaje Ati nonura tenova tenova Nti radio bata Ati nonura one more time. Mbu yelele lo, yelele, mabaja suma. Yeah, mabaja suma. Yeah, shaliwa kaboneka, neshiwa kabonera, shaliwa kaboneka. Shekamo yise mawe, sebatiwe moronjiwe, kusi yanjiwe bebe, yirahanu nyerere, yimoka porepo, ntiwa ebintendi wobyehara, iwo manya nebishemeza nebinyekorire, mabaja suoma. Shani wakaboneka, eshi wakabonera. Kanjura yitumbi no. Yeah. Ninga ya chanda no. Kale mbonye wajataje kwisekea. Ninga kambere chenda haya. Ngukore bikora wezantagaya. Nita kombe bro. Eyo tujimbe nekisawe. Kanjura yitumbi no. Renda hono shawa wawagweshejera kwenyine. Tujende Kanjura yitumbi no. Ninga ye chanda no. Mbweni wayeteje nkwisekea. Ninga kambire chenta haya. Let me see where you are. Thank you. You know, no manyane jana bejo. Used to the one and no chosen. Let's go.
Kala yuwakulu boti. Tokola mwensobi notalonda muzeyi nachi.
Soko kirengo wakapera mugano.
Yeah. Homa kachike wankola. Homa kamasuchi baby. Era birungi chidia. Nali kulusani dia. Show. I dedicate this one. Katuyunge mitima. Katuwonye batumenye mitima. Onjagala. Let me see it! Show! Oba kachike wankola. Oba kamasuchi baby. Era birungi chidia. Nali kulusani dia kwe wamega. Kujiri. I dedicate this one. Mapana, onjagala chibaruma. Hey, sikola mwensobi. Tokola mwensobi. Mokuba kuba tagetizo. Lukujiri. Mokuba kuba tagetizo ka. Tagetizo ka. Betty wantala Betty. Kuza kumulebe mwa Betty. Walinyaka.
Pull out the tune.
Yeah.
Then, in a whole security chiefs, what else does Tanga, the youth league chairperson, and then Pasaja Baraba, Amanda Peace Rugam.
Kiria. Kale, are you ready? Lindako. Bwori redo gena mundongo kandabe uyimiride. Let me see where you are.
Wanike mikano mubanga.
Katika mbaweyo muimbi, o munga retuna gena mukanyomerako. Let me first give you one artist. Selector. Ladies and gentlemen, the Green Daddy.
Captain Music.
Sha. Somebody
nakutamansa sogea pahani sitakiatana mimi ndo jua kali unanyimbia keyo
One
abayaye batya
Wama bakala batya
mama wama bayaye batya
tuwasomere bakala batya
mama Bacha nyonge mboso nyimya Range Rover Demteka woda size de wimbona Ata mutamu imbu zayani Yembu zayani Pezi la kona mipaka misho yo mahani Awa wachio Kama fako de mujaka vejake Nakano vejake Tuwa chala lomese Bakumise teke nikizo Ofuka miza wasunda bukame yona wasamize Gamba bunoti Mwana kwe Bakala batya Ulo Tugende Boti Akwendade
Tugende Boti Lava kobu labi neetogula Emari nyinato no sagala wajigula Ayagala kaimba ko kadaba waimiride Bakube
Boy ndi mutu wanasomela mujahidini
Nina mukata echina kaika Chinese
Mbele yolusi
Ebali aba Japanese
Shingi
Olori China
Bili bai daisi Bai daira Olori 1, 2 Zedinga Zedinge Ewo kuwa manda Sobetonye Wamadinga nyange Wamade boku befufu Banimize Yefe bari Nebalowoza bavako Kumbe twefako Era bari Bebasuza nemwogerako Naye katinga twamalayo Biri balo Webyano litulabako Simailo nebitekako Abimanyirawo Katino bituse Ababufu bayingiddewo Nati Badembiwulira Wamma bazijokera
Pula Buli asanyisa okulaba Green Daddy kandabe woli
Huwa wati kulabe Sibara Ona madara Tugende Munanyimbirako Tugende 1, 2 Obuwami Unzitanza obuwami So Njakusange don't worry Echupa ya suka obuwami Obuwami Webunzitanza Tulabise Tugende 1, 2, 3 Nakune dembe Hey Kanziye Nakune dembe Ozange Bobo chao chawe I wanna make you smile, I wanna make you dance. I really feel better when I see you do the dance. Modigi do baby, one nigga, wasakata niwe. African vibe go to your don't drink a drive go to your Oluba wano kaka sachi gwela kaida, don't give a damn. Ogole nyopule dembe, mateka vibe chechenge. Once in a while they don't to me. Ejiti Overwhelming, once it dance overwhelming. Jacosange, don't worry, it's your fire so overwhelming. Gonna warm me, when I give you a KO. When I give you a KO. Buka, what? That's for the day, babe. Wait, oh, ciao, Kanziye, Jimeyo, Napune Debe. Ezange Unchawe
Kakati
Magala nyo Green Daddy na
Kuba kukungala nyumirwa Yakaba leba netu nyumirwa kandabe oli
Wati
Atoko nyumirwa tekunaba Kati zinoyo Ziri more festival, not even rallies Siwechiri It's more festival, we are having a good time Siwechiri Man, if you love President Museveni Ndaga kumukono oli ndabe Kakati tugende bundongo Tugende kwa mukadake tugenda ko mu kirabu version DJ Miracle wumbira bana abantu omukono leka bakulabe muwumbireko atutwale tugenda mu Yellow Festival kati tunagenda. Let's first celebrate life. Kwata t-shirt tukore muri haso wali tukore muri haso ya muzee agenda kuja Miracle ta twende Rukungiri we emikono jiwa
When I was a little girl, my grandma
Let's media Ready.
just anything that start living in the flow. Can't let go. All your problems, 'cause right now don't feel like I'm in love with this feeling now.
Push your hands in the air. Don't tell you.
I wanna see you tonight.
Ulishaliwa kwa tugera fana. Omanya kisaguro. Anagara kaiba kona wewe. Wanikoroje. Dogamani. Yes, everybody. Guruka. Yellow Festival. Yellow Festival. Miracle Pool. Are you having a good time? If you're having a good time, let me see where you are. Kakati Miracle nyakaro tutwale ko mu ndongo y'ekibala. Dansalwe. Atutwale ko mu kibala. Yingire ekibala boy. Yes boss. Yingire ekibala. Asubune. Wadikanda bawali tuli mu bala. Tuli wa. Tuli rundawa. Ay. Yesu zazina bo Yesu se mu magulu. Kene chiwato bechinyumiru omukiri. Yali yarayiro butatu namuliri. Kujiri wizinaze baba kambuli. Emikono wagulu eringa ofanaiti. Betuba tuzina magulu tukakalika. Ididi. Tunyumiru omukiri. Obulumira kunyumira kubanga obuma abiri plus obuma abiri equals obuma bumeka. Obuma abiri plus obuma abiri bubeera obuma bumeka. Wama iniwa. Wa iniwa. Lukunjiri tugende. Kale bawe. Bagale. Uwa Muzei huyo. Kwata katambara, kwata katambara muzei huyo. Wanika Rukujiri, let's go. Rukujiri, let's go. Chakoti shati kumutwe. Let's go. Chakoti shati kumutwe. Huyo. Chakoti shati kumutwe. Mira kwa tugende. Wanika t-shirt yo. Buka. Look. Ona aye mama. Ona aye. Kipula zorea, uri Mustafa zorea. Kelikenza salawa. Tugende. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. Musai wa yellow. Enaramu yellow. Museveni yellow. Kabuta wa yellow. No change. Museveni. Kabuta. No change. Mira kapigana. No change. Wanika. Wanika tugende. Ura. Aba Kampala Museveni. Gamba. Museveni. Kampala Museveni. Ebalala Museveni. Kabare Museveni. Rukungiri Museveni. Arua Museveni. Mitiana Museveni. Kabalole Museveni. Kabale Museveni. Bitoma Museveni. Unyangabo Museveni. Ayebiwe Museveni. Uganda Museveni. Kampala Museveni. Uganda Museveni. Abakore Museveni. Western Museveni. Abakore Museveni. Abawali Museveni. Badogana Museveni. Bakorwa Akampala Museveni. Ifelabu Museveni. Buka. Museveni. Tuibe. Waliwo Chairman kukaleyo ekula lya Afrika. Musajja mulungi nnyo afudde ekula lya Afrika. Tugende ensonga Yoweri Yima. Ona n'ensonga Yoweri okugambo twaliri. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Museveni nachi.
Thank you.
Yeah, more fire.
Museveni nachi.
Yeah.
DJ, national anthem. Your Excellency, you're most welcome to Rukunjiri. You may take your seat. Clergy.
Your Excellency, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Tibaburwa, and your daughter, I believe that is Pastor Patience, the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Anita Among, and I'm sorry I'm not getting into all the protocol, but we thank God for the ministers I've seen, including our own General Jim and Colonel Susan. Ladies and gentlemen, abeshemwe bantu baruhanga nibanyeta Onesimus asimwe omuleberezi wa North Kigezi, kandi ndi hano na Reverend Father John Vianney Byaruhanga, Dean wa Nyakibale Deanery, Kabale District ajwekeire, Kabale Diocese ajwekeire Bishop, kandi twine Sheikh Abdul Malik, Rukunjiri District Kadi. I have also seen Bishop Onesimus Ngoboka. Now and for some strange reason he's on the other side. Konka nitwenda okwata nisa tutakashabire okubanza twakwakira President wehangari yaitu omukundwa kashaba abantu mwenda mukwata nisene itwe okumwakira. Niyana no kusima omwizina ya Interreligious Council Kabale Nengashi Kigezi, Greater Kigezi Region, kandi ninye mwebembezi wabo ahabu kutera uburyo bwo kuza kurambura Toro na Bunyoro okuleba 1 acre model kandi na 4 acre model nangwa nyowe okuba mazima kuwogigambagaho ngo muntu nabasa kwiha miliyoni 17 no kulengaho omu ekemwe nambaga ndinka Tomosi oturi kusoma mu Bible akabanganisa konga kutujireyo twayerebera Nyakana modo na yete isoko banganisa ni manyangu nikibasika omuntu kwiha miliyoni 17 no kulengaho omu ekemwe kandi itwe niturwo mwanya ogufunzire twini itaka nabwo ejo nizo kubulira injiri yawejo iyo kwiha abantu omugoro katushabe mukama ruhango bushoborozi bona ndikusima munonga okuleta mukuru w'ihanga kandi chairman wa NRM ndikusima kuwa mukozire okuwa mukoze ise okuchungura no kuzahure ihangeri kandi nemyaka eje yitwamara omubusinje ndikusima okutereza omwembezi w'ihanga oli kutinga oli kushoma ebyahandikirwe otali kwitwa shoni ahabwo kwikiriza kandi tukusimira obwebembezi bwe okuleta obusinje n'entunguko mu ihanga lyaitu mwena lyaha ayi mukama nitushaba kugira ngo muhereze obusinje n'obugwaje omwanya gwona ogwaramale muri Rukunjireji kandi tushaba kugira ngo yongere kumukozesa okwimusya okuba ruhanga okubanza namba yokubanza mu ihanga lyaitu ahabo kuba mukama ihanga lino mugisha eri kutina ruhanga kandi ulira ruhanga waryo ali mukama mbwenu tushaba ngo mwanya go gutware niwo twara mahango kagatebe kanisa gakakole byo kusima omwanya ogubo gwawe olete kitinisa cyawe ohimbisibwe omwizina lya Yesu Kristo mukama wetu. Amina.
Let me now invite our Secretary General to lead the next session. Your Excellency, my name is Mugabe Kabwira, and I'm the District Publicity Secretary for Rukunjiri. I sign out. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda and the National Chairman of the National Resistance Movement Party, we welcome you to Rukungiri as we conclude our campaigns in Kigezi sub-region. We welcome you from Kanungu, and this will be our last rally in Kigezi sub-region, and we thank the people of Rukungiri for this wonderful welcome. Mr. President, because of time, I might not introduce every dignitary here one by one, but allow me to recognize the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, who is also the second National Vice Chairperson of the party. I recognize the Right Honorable Amama Babazi and Mrs. Jacqueline Babazi. Thank you so much for joining us. Rise for recognition. We might not have to introduce you one by one. I recognize all ministers, members of parliament, religious leaders, all dignitaries. Because of time, we are going to cut most of the activities that we had scheduled in our program. I now like to invite the party chairman for Rukungiri district to come and summarize the district memo in less than 10 minutes. Thereafter, the regional vice chairperson of the party will welcome the Right Honorable Speaker to invite the President to speak to us. Thank you.
Yebare Mnonga, Secretary General, which will be in a NRM. Movement Oye, President Museveni Oye, Rukungiri Oye, Yebare Mnonga. Mbwen Wajira, Ngu, ebiturukwenda kugambira President weitu kandi omukundwa mbegambire mu dakiika zitarengire 10 ninza omwizina Rukungiri n'ekibiina kyaitu kya NRM kwenda kwakira President weitu kandi candidate weitu omukarura karukwija ntwenda kugambira maruhe bintu bingi ebitutungire kandi ebitukwenda kulinda nkoku ekituhandikire kwebembera campaign zeitu protecting against ebitukwenda kulinda tindu kuza kubizamu in details konka byona nabihandika omumemo eyitukozere nka NRM committee twabiha president ebikozerwe byona kandi nebiturukumsimira kandi nebiturukwenda ngwagumizemu akore. Your Excellency, Parish Development Model nekoraje munonga twakuteramu na ekyokureberaho ekyabantu abagobiremu nkoko twire noshomesa omururu Rukungiri nkakankwasa amoni urukuruga bikurungu ebimyoga wakozereje harimo ebyokureberaho bingi nabwo twakuteramu abantu initiative presidential youth skilling nayo twatamu examples about youth livelihood, Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program, people with disability, special enterprise grant, social assistance grants, SAGE, yabagurusi nibakusima munonga esente zabo kuzongera ukaziha mitware 2.15 ukazita mitware 3.15 kandi emyaka ekacenderera ekazara nkaga n'etano umwanya gwa kinana mukitera rumungaro. Your Excellency nibutukusimira munonga yabiri National Teacher Training College ya Nyakaina hati ni branch ya University ya Kabari ntusiba Minister wa Education watiremwa amani okukikorera. Ntusimbira seed schools ezakozirwe omu district yona kandi eby'obwegyese birye yes, Your Excellency, government kanswemwe yarwerere izakatungire secondary school. Tukwebariza irwaruro ryeitu kurukuza rya Rwamahwa rikaba district hospital hata bayombekere mu theater na maternity kandi ribikoraje munonga ntumanya ngo no mu financial ya umwaka gwese ntogurkwije bindi nibizakorwa. Rukungiri ekatunga program ya installation of 165 microscale irrigation okufuhirira ebihingwa. Rukungiri niyo number 1 omuyihanga na zindi district nizija kudushomeraho kureba okuturukora. Okay, bangambira ntusimire ibintu bingi oruguto rw'itoro rwatamaka kandi tumanya ngo n'izindi nke orukurga kanungu kurabanya kishengi kuzarubare urwakabwohe bugongi kitagata kabira buhunga rukungiri ruhinda kashenshoro mitoma zona nizakorwa. Hati Your Excellency, Industrial Park antukwebaza Rukungiri nemwari district 75 zuwahiri Industrial Park eyitwe rije etegerizo kutandika kukorwa. Ntwenda ekishahe kintu bashaba abanyarukungiri ngo tukikuze tukiboneze kize aha standard ya higuru. Rukungiri teragobire omu program yo kuboneza municipalities omu region egi yona mbwena abantu nibenda amatara no kore nguto zayo. Hariho ebindi ebiri omu kihandiko tunabitamwo omu mwabweshaha konka nitwija kubishoma Your Excellency. Harimu na Bwanga twine acres 500 Bwanga ntwenda otukorere modern district demonstration farm yebare kuhereza Kashenyi multipurpose hall ababikurungu nibende cyoma cyabo cy'umwani abanyabutumbi nibenda ngwijwe obarebe kuko abaraganise aba youth nibenda sako yabo ngo gisupportinge kandi icyamuheru nyenda ngo watunga kanya otusimire ababire betimbiro mu primary elections konka bakayikiriza kuzenyima yeitu barimo ko mwami Franka aranitwerukanirwa onarebo Rutahigwa n'abandi bingi abweshaha kuba kuteza niwe kishanyi bakashemererwa. Ntusima munonga vice chairman weitu Akiki engineer Simwe. Ntusima structures za NRM kurga LC1 kwika aha district. Ntusima flag bearers bona ba MPs ba LC5 mayor. Ntusima za nyekundire grupu barimo Peace Rugamba barimo Armugeto group, food soldiers special team ya cluster erukutwasa munonga, the Unstoppable Group, PLU, hamwe na office ya National Chairman, mwena bemere munonga. Muheru Your Excellency, twine ebirabo biturkwenda kuhereza, twaheza emikoro twinire gifts ebyo kuhereza. Thank you. Movement oye! President Museveni oye! Rukungiri oye! Mwebare munonga.
Thank you, General, and thank you for that brief remark. We know we are cutting you short because of time, but we thank you for indicating the many things that we've been able to do in Rukungiri district. May I invite the Regional Vice Chairman in less than 2 minutes to welcome the President, and in the same spirit welcome the Right Honourable Speaker to invite the President to speak to us.
NRM oye! Rukungiri oye! Our party chairman, our second national vice female, SEC members, ministers, we welcome you once again in the Kigezi sub-region. Allow me to invite the second national vice chairperson to invite the party chairman.
NRM oye! NRM oye! If you love President Museveni, put up your flags. Put up your flags. If you love NRM, put up your flags. Your Excellency, in the interest of time, I want to invite my brother, the Right Honourable Mama Babasi, to come and greet the people here, and then I invite you to come and speak. Right Honourable Mama Babasi, karibuni sana.
Thank you, my sister, Right Honourable Anita Mong, our great parliamentary speaker, and second vice chairman, national vice chairman of the party. Your Excellency, abantu ba Rukungiri, amazina ganje mwampura ninye amama Mbabazi. Mwene cyandeta hano no kubakura muriyo. Murije. Movement kuna chariyo einamani. Movement oye. Mwene cyatureta hano no kugamba mwiraka rihango erya heguru. Bona batulire ensi yone tulire ngurukungire movement echariyo einemizi ehamire kandi turaza kwebembeza omwebembezi weitu otwebembere emyaka mingi akaturabya mu bingi kandi camwene mu bwesije Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nahabwecha baraza kuterera Museveni ndenda mugira ngo oye Museveni oye mwebare ruhanga abalinde.
Your Excellency, as you give accountability to the people of Kigezi on what you've done and what you're yet to done, I want to invite your very good friend to come and greet the people, Professor Mondo Kagonyera. Then I will invite you to speak. Professor, just in 1 second, come and greet the people. These are the historicals of this country, and we need to understand where we are coming from and where we are going. We want to thank you for bringing NRM and making NRM what it is.
Thank you very much indeed, Madam Speaker of the Ugandan Parliament. Your Excellency, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, heaven, and all the people gathered here to listen to your message regarding the coming elections. The reason I am delighted to be here, sir, I remember 45 years ago, here I stood before these people to introduce you to the people of Rukungiri. And I'm glad, sir, that I'm still alive and well to once again welcome you to Rukungiri, to ask these people to go back and mobilize and give you the votes you so richly deserve. Thank you, sir, and thank you, madam.
Thank you, Professor, Your Excellency. Kindly come and speak to your people on the good things that you've done for this country and you're yet to do for this country. NRM oye! NRM oye! Museveni oye! NRM oye! President Museveni oye! NRM oye!
Kalma Mustame Abanyarukungiri mu ruhoro ye mubare kwija umurukungano kurikiza obutumwa bwa movement Vice Chairperson wa kabiri wa NRM Umchara, Vice Chairperson Western, former Prime Minister Mbabazi, Secretary General, abemeza abandi bona nema Abanyarukungiri mwena nejaha nabembeza abandi ukubanjurira manifesto ya NRM umwaka 2026 okuteya 2031 manifesto ejo tuolekire amatafari mushanju NRM agetera haje ya Uganda nikosa amatafari beto mu Runyankore ruhoro rukiga ukabera umuganda emiganda konka abana bato emiganda basa kutagimanya nkukozesa amatafari NRM eto kugira ngo muhagire tere kutembura turubasya muturi abatembuzi nga turubaka hakaira tuine ikirari turabire mbano matafari go mushanju eri kubanza n'obusinge nabanindiga kanungu chihi bubarhe na Kongo bunu bamanya ekiri kumanyisa okutagira businge nabagambira chairman wetu aligire kufa kubangizire ngo akafu abenarga kagadi ninko mfumbira akari ko mfumbira kuna beni mugana ba chairman ntizina lya oryo atizina lyange ndi ngoma eranze nimanya muri Nyarwanda n'urufumbira engoma eranze ikabeta sheyo nguko ushobo kazarwa Ruchuru Kongo rukumira na kaga nena Kongo yagabwa etabukire Rumumba government ni hirima burizoba atogo msheje kuyazara umwana we yamwetizina umurufumbiro Nyarwanda Ngoma Eranze ikikumanyisa government eremire mbona Uganda nayo ekere Ngoma Eranze governance obutegeki bukaburemire nabo cyenare mukwizire ekareta obutebekana ekaterezensi irunita fari yamani iryo kubanza turukwanjurira abanyayuganda tukajya abantu umwe itafareri NRM niyo riteye hanju ya Uganda itafari ya kabiri nentunguka entunguka ejo erimwe bice kabiri aroje bakweta mu rurungu kandi mshabima bembezi muje mwege ebigambo bito kubihindura ryo umundimi zeitu ati urubazo rumwe n'icyo bakweta mu rurungu economic infrastructure umuntu yankore ni ikintu nka emisingi y'ibyantasya umuharo mw'inguto amashanyarazi esumu amaizi egari y'omwika ebyoma bya karimagezi nk'ebitwarwa kwigura Kanungu internet and computers ICT byone biri mu ntunguka orubaju rwa emisingi y'ibyantasya kandi urubaju tugire emisingi yentura y'abantu atumenye genero ry'imwezi yabyanjura byona enguto nimuzireba NRM yaretsire ekagihantungamo ya korasi ekagisyaha ekagenegeza ekagitwara kihi ishasha Kanungu mbwen turiyo nturwana no kureta ya engutanga kuzarwa mchuchu kuzakisizi itagira kaza kebsoni erindira kagumya kaza rubare kandi kuri yo munda tukagaita kisizi na Nyakishenyi na Rigeyo na Kanungu kandi hariho enguto eitwe nangwerige kuri yakabohe Kitagata efumukire kunuya rukungirika kabira eje kunuya engutege nayo tantu nturana nayo kurutwagikozire mbahabure enkora y'abahekera ito abahekera abanyakishaka tutukwata bingi ukwata bingi no kwebeha kwata iki kwata kiriya ebituko basa siturukora byo kutangaza nka Yesu bitontukora ebyo kututuka nabo cyo kwata bingi no kwebeha nicyo tanto bagambira budgeting mubanze obusinge ensengero obusinge mwahezo obusinge muteho enguto za korasi nezitaka kureba ngo zona za rabomu mwargaho amashanyarazi mwargaho muteho kushoma banyuma muteho iby'amagara dere bindi tubyongereho mpora beto kwate okutaho agriculture na industry deraho mongereho ibindi beto iki kutekereza abantu bageze kwata bindi kwate kiri mbona tubetu n'urutaro n'abashomesa aba arts mukahurira kuba yedimiri bakedima ngo gukora mutongere sente hati esente kanturwana n'ibintu bingi katwine nguto eswe nakora tumereka tukabanza tukayikora nke nguto namana runguto etane teganisa kuruga bwizubwera kuza buheju kuza nsika kuza nyakashaka nyakabiri inyoko mundo ku nkore tumereka tukabanza tukakore ngo tuwe n'umushara hata mbona aho egiye mikorere niyo kutusisira niyo kutukereza bete cyo ruhanga akinira umbaza nacyo njya kukibashyiraho ati nariba ndebo mfa amashanyarazi gariyo amezi gashyire amashanyarazi nago tukora mu ngiriye y'ikekera itari yo kutomera kumwahurira ngo nkamara imyaka 8 nindwana na amini n'umuryango nkabashitamira ni nchakara manya nkayenze ngo nyiheho amino mwaka gumu konka cyakita kubasa nkanyine okwikiriza ngo mpora imyaka 8 twahirika amini ndio mwishwa nsigirewe kayange bwaje bakutwa batwahikaha kana wa UPC bare torwade twagarre umukishaka imyaka 5 family twasigaho so mbona abantu abatakwikiriza nkora yitu nimbatangara abuko abantu bakora nabo n'abantu bakomeye kibakora itwi tene kitakumanya kandi ibyo kubeha abantu tukubyendera kimwe tukora ikishimiye gukorwa so atumena ni nkeme amashanyarazi tukagera sti amashanyarazi gabanze gashike ha district zone district headquarter leto arwana n'amashanyarazi rukungiri amashanyarazi gakabana gakoma kasese imoba ba generation genzi tumuko bimanyire genzi abarukungiri nimbagamenta amashanyarazi gakabana gakoma kasese amashanyarazi niyo NRM yagahire ekagareta Bushenyi bakaruga Bushenyi Rwashameire Rukungiri Kabare kandi twajya tugashye ahambuga z'amashaza mara tinka shujumire bitine peme nkatagashyire umuza district zone kwiho ikizinga kibakweta Buvuma tinguma yabagashyire mbona tugashyire ahambu ya district za district twahikaho twajya tugashyire ahambuga z'amagomborora mbone amashanyarazi kugaragashire agomborora yawo nubwo gatakashikira mu cyaro cyawo umanya ngo plan ni yeyo tubanza turugaha atobutwaka aha magombora aha Amerika ngirelije kuko zahabya iby'amaizi wahora gimya bigambaho arona irrigation okushikera n'ikintu cy'amani abakigeze inshemerero nyuma zo mbere ndurikiga nashanga abarikiga bakarwa umufunjo rwamera busiya rwahimbuka mbweno bakore icyo ninja kore cy'amani umushyoke cyo kutora ry'umbururu mwahagera NRM ninja kureta enkora yo kutsindika amaizi tukagashyira rushozi rero gakashuma abantu bakakosa kushikera ibihingwa byabo kamboreke umugasho gwo kushikera kateho famu yitu ya Bushenyi ya presidential hub, presidential banana project murebe.
This is where our model plantation is. Plantation is to have already 1 million tons of yield per hectare per year. We're talking important part is water, especially in the wet season. So here we're using irrigation, drip irrigation, as you can see, using water, especially in the wet season. Drip irrigation is advantage with irrigation. It sends water where required. PBD does not depend on national water. We make our own water, which we pump every day. 90% of the water is used for irrigation, and the other 10% is processed for use in pilot plant and estate residential areas. This swamp, as per NEMA allows us to use a third of the water flow. But in the dry season, we even just use 12% of the water flow. So there is still enough water which we can pump. We've already finished the feasibility study to distribute the same irrigation water to the farmers, mainly along the water pipeline. So the structures you are seeing here are mainly to do primary filtration of the water. You have seen the color of the water through that aeration. It's our water in the western region is full of iron. So we always reduce the iron content by passing it through the air. Each of these pumps 40 cubic meters per hour, and it has a lift height of 140 meters. That's why we are pumping it 110 meters from here. Where we are standing is 110 meters below the reservoir where it is being pumped. You see these ready tanks? Those ready tanks are full of sand. To again continue the filtration of the water. We are using drip system, which uses very, very fine water. We should not be having any floating particles to block the system. Many people, when they hear His Excellency talking about 53 tons, people wonder if that's possible or not. You'll be able to see the size of the bunches, the plantation, how it looks like, and how.
I think in the project here, Dr. Mranga, the government ya hajire okuhinga ebitoke noyongeraho okushikera na fertilizer n'urwezo abanyankore n'abahoro abaryomu konka abanyankore abarahe naho nibateme ebitoke tani 5 buri hectare buri mwaka kongo Dr. Muranga we hata natema tani 5 buri hectare buri mwaka bana tu Dr. Muranga na yeza emirundi 10 okukirimwe abanyankore n'abahoro okumuri kwezi habo kuba nashikera kandi atere mu ruwezo mbwe nabo icyo ne mukunu yayona kundebere abarikiga barwo mu urufunjo rwagarakaho nashemerura nja kora project y'amani kushikera inshoze zona izarikiga neza kunuya ahameze gari rero abantu beze ukiro ko barukweza mbona tejo nitafari ya kabiri NRM eterari Uganda entunguka enguto amashomero nabaninde baha amashomero abaninde b'amashomero aha umuri rukongeri harimo amashomero 158 aga primary aga government excuse me 158 aga primary aga government kandi harimo amashomero 30 aga secondary aga government rukongeri post office private bank kabari atuwe n'amashomero 30 ga secondary 30 ga secondary 30 obunashitama primary living umwaka 58 umurukore na Kigezi akaramo amashomero 5 agaberege ninganka mukaga watamagawishi agaberege junior secondary 2 akatari muri ya senior kwe butobere na ntare kinyasano ekaberi junior secondary 2 akatari mu secondary yona umurujumbura hamwe na kingizi moto kufuna ngo muri kongiri yonka harimo amashomero ga secondary 30 n'ikintu kikunshebeza nyo so nawe cyo NRM kanyuma Dr. Rugunda ayiro bujurizi bure turi atumanye ntunguka tintunguka konka ko gama ke byamarwaro okuhangara kwa Uganda eyogata life expectancy NRM bwija abanyayuganda bakanu bafuera amyaka 8 eyogata life expectancy Benati abanyagano bafuera amyaka 68 life expectancy has gone up by almost 30 years so ejentunguka itugamba tintunguka konka ne kwataha magaraga abantu konkaho no NRM kandi yakozere icyo mutano wahurira ko amatafari gabashatu obusinge itafari nambemo entunguka itafuwa namba ya kabiri. Kuonka ito omyaka ya nkaga tulia beji tukatandika kugira ikindi ekitekateko abo kuba ubwiro obo abantu ababe bari umbwebembezi bakaba bagamba ebi byentunguka ntunguka enguuto amaizi amarwariro nk'ebyo bagarukiraho kongezi twajya nokukira nyowe aho nyowe ndiyo mu bantu abatura umucyanga iki mukweta Uganda hati twine okututura umuntu kwaba nakushabira ajya atikatunye ente n'urutoki ubu nakushabira atikatunye ente n'urutoki so ukuje nyoko ngambire nguto amashanyarazi manyabiha utatere munti utatere mu rutoki tinkwesiga ubu nagambaye enguto nindara nguto nyekiro numuza ko narahanguto egiye korasi nimbabuza muza ko narahanguto omunguto abanyarurumbura numuraranka nyekiro numuraranka hi umakaganyi muyabare nanye ningaruko wanje ntungamo mutakaje murinza ko raro munguto hati mbero bwagaruko omuka yawe obworo bwatsigaye omukasheshe baza kushaka bukutegereze bukujye butukuruko mu rukiko kongitu tukiriya shukari terimo munju tune sinzo kushora amashanyarazi ngagura amashtagetara kora servo nguto ya kora servo amashanyarazi garuho konkumwawe harimo uburo mbwenaho umyaka ya nkaga nutwagambira twatuwe n'abembezi bait bari oye UPC manyabiya bawe DP bari mu yebyo abantu batagamba habugeiga tubaza kuhabya abantu ito twayanga twatanga kugambira abantu entasi y'amaka kandi umusoga ano kwa kukigamba umusoga na kigamba muri n'urusoga najati akange kakira kaife akange nikakira akatwena akange nikakira akatwena korasi maybe okay thank you very much konka umwawe harumuki mbone ngirejo twajiburira abantu nokukira munonga nyo ubuhango bwanjye naha ntungamo ubuhango bwa family yanjye ntungamo kajara rukungira aha twatuja rukungira twarwana n'abashambu kuri tuja kunuya kandi kirwana na berekire tugaruka kuriya so nyundi umuntu wombo konka mwaka nkaga tukafurika twarga ntungamo twazanya bushozi mbeko naje kutanika kwabura abantu natandikira nyabushozi ukuba habure ibintu kubagambira hati itebe tukugamba tibihinduka ibitwagambira nkaga na mukaga ni ibintu kubagambira hati kandi uri kubihurira n'abajya mwe n'abataburire ngireyo abamwe bahinduka namwe katubate hartimbi turebe hari umushije n'umweta Matongo abakabatene ikibo kureba bareba nkaya
amazina ninge George Matongo wangoma mugomba ubuntu hano gwatakasozi nandi kutaha umurimo gwanje ndi muri isa nteze mujya kureba nuko itandikira tatakanda gente bakubya tarobo hagwache dan meirisa zakanya nagura amataka nyuse nazo zankorera ibintu kwenda zashubitiza abana bihereze naturuho kabanza mu nyankore naje nahindura nk'umwata ngo nzungu nuko zahanyuranye nasunga ati zungu ezo ndisumute.
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Ati, ugo mshaja Matongo, tashomire. Akari munyacyaro abanyankore abayira abantu bakorenda yonka. Twabasere ngiri basimuka ati muri mwahurira kwa rukutunda ritya 900 zamate burizo uko ibari no mahamba no murukora ebe ya materia hanze ritya ya mate nibagigura shiringi 800 konka aboko amateni mengi na atashe milioni 21 buri kwezi umwaka zo milioni 25 nuriya yombekirenje y'umurembe aineho sola abana bashomero bahuru mushogo nagambo rujungu nuguragiwete hata magaraye gakahinduka kandi arahare uko ibari ntare na korasi narga ngoma mahiro makumushanju ukurga korasi nabo icyo entunguka ure menyebigambo bitu ikizibo ikitwine n'abantu abakoze mu politics bagire kuzandama itwe bitu ebitugamba nibyo tumanyisa kandi kitugamba cyone kiba kipimirwe mbona hati entunguka ina bagambira entunguka ne yatwena konga twino kongeraho ikigambo ubugeiga n'ubworo ibine byawe ubugeiga n'ubwawe nko muntu nka family nka company ninga ubworo n'ubwawe bwato ko ibari entunguka niki tubene nguto ya chorus bene ikiguto cyitaka konka bayino ubugeiga Matongo n'abandi bo umcyange cyo hati bakahinduka kandi tukakikora tutakagire mu government ingireyo kutwagire mu government twaburira Uganda yona ingiri yo kutanisa entunguka n'ubugeiga muri cyo kubikwatanisa entunguka na isa kubaho konka uburo bw'umka yawo nguto ya korasi ije nguto erkurga kabare kuza Kampala kurawambara bakagikora 16 ibiri rikora so ubwiro bwene kunkaboro na hatubakiro kora seru aboro baro hey n'urguto ate kintu yararemu etarkwikiriza atutwagira mu gavumenti twatanga kuburira ngireyo mu Uganda yono twaheza kugiburira kuri umurukora kato corridor ingiro twagire to mu gavumenti manifesto yekena na mkaga twatamu okhabura kwa ekazina nyenda kutabarutya Bishop Onesmo ukwete siki cyo kugaya no kutekereza nkatoma so owayangire kwikiriza abo kuba atahana uri ibimbagambira yekazina tukakito manifesto yekena na mkaga abo nkana kibaziri nagira nti ko akubone hikina hikemwe utamumwana ike ya kabiri utamu bijuma ike ya gashatu utamu obunyatsi bwente zo mbishu ike ya kana utamu bikuriye byeka ekanyima utayenko kuzamahuri nempu nukoro tari musalamu ninga abanyankora bakara bakaba batari yampunu kunga bahatu bazihereza n'ubunkuru dero korore nebishara ugire ebido bibiye nyanja twakito manifesto yakenda na mkaga umbuhandike hati heina bahuriro kwabura kwetu nubengi konkaro umusigaza basangwa wakamuri kamurebe cyakozere
Nze Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. There's a foot ya 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi kawuga bamwidukira katonda mu ekyumulo ekyemirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu banja batamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5 ai president ya idaya atulungamya yakoba tubana abantu mwena timusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5 aye abantu mujje mukole emirimo egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byona yabyogera nze na pickinga mu kyokulunda enkoko natandika farm mu 2007 n'enkoko 5 sawa dino wendogerera ku farm kuno tize mabega ntambwire president yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5,000 yasanuka ino sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo 10 tufulumya amagi etule 2,000 buli lunaku etule 2,000 divaamu milioni 2 buli lunaku omwezi diva milioni 6 omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze mukaaga n'ekitundu etuba tukolaki tuingiza so tuwuliriso
ate ogwo mwahurira Basangwa bakana ba Rwanda Karmuka LC5 emyaka 2007 kunazayo nabahabura nkuko bahabura ati mu Rwanda mu gumwe gwa LC5 tumukore ibindi nabagambere mushanje be nabagambira wihamu enkoko atayite kugambira natunda trays amahuri 12,000 burunaku buri zoba natase milioni 20 buri zoba buri kwezi miliyoni 6 umwaka ubuhumbi 7 na miliyoni 200 so aligira mboro arondiro wakaramoja konkesha azagenda nabwo icyo ninyanda kubangamira ngo hatogo nubwo itafari ya kashatu enere muterari Uganda ukabura abantu ukubahabura no kubayamba ahubwo tukubahabura konka ntubahabura tubahe byo kutandikisa PDM operation wealth creation NADZ ntandikwa ibi byo no twaheza kubahabura tubahereza capital yo kutandika ngo mukore ibyo bugeiga ateri nitafari rya kashatu rya kana aho kushaza aho nanje ko ibyo kurebera ibindi rya kana nemirumo ejo nacyaro okuga abantu bagira ngo emirumo iri mu government emirumo ya government ni mike emirumo ya government yo na hamwe nemitwaro 88 atikambore cy'emirumo eyerukuruga toreke basangwa uriho twatwarebe
katukigira president awere musanufu ino ku bintu byenkoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako wendogera kati tulina abakozi 300 betukozesa
freeze there hati basangwa wabali omworo hata kabo mugeiga natashe miliyoni 20 bulizo ko kandi ubugeiga bwe buzeire mirimo 300 y'abanyayuganda bandi ate cyakoreka ki emirimo nergo mbugeiga bw'abantu abakora ibyo bugeiga katurebe factories ntorakuki freeze that one ate getawo ne mukureba ne tawunisha hey nambare izire hati imwe tawo nezite tukumanyeza kare za rukungiri n'amaduka go buntu sabuni umonyo ehuzi imyenda betege tawo neza enaremwe za hati neza makorero tawo nemwe erimo makorero 55 katurebe abakozi abari mu ikorero rumwe freeze aha haturebe abana bakora mu ikorero rumwe hato mu industrial package ya mare nakora mabana omutwaro gumwe n'2,000 kuna inobu nanja kubona inyo mu industrial hub ya Kabale kuba ko bari nabo baravuka bije bahereza testimony ibiri kwikire ko shaza agenda baroha banabo muri kanje okay umojo mwe no mushyo mwe gamba icyakwiro mu ishomero icyo washomere nati cyo gukora utaza kutumura cyo kutura
Rukungiri district nkabana iko omusiniye yakashatu school fees yabura aho natandika kuzakora wabanda bwa house garu nabona niho nabire ni mpuro muranga gwo kwegemyoga omuri Kigezi Presidential Industrial Hub kunashireyo nayego mwoga gwo kubazira nayege myezi mukaga buri kimwe cyona kikakirye cyabusha okuryamo kwabusha ebyokoze kwabusha okukora amagara gitu byona bikabye byabusha aho nashora nagaruka mu cyaro nashanga ntine kapito yo kutandikanisa niho nagire aharubaju omu workshop natandika nakora namara amezi mushanju aho nabona kapito yanje natandika bizinesi yanje hatayindi kugambira buri kwezi nishanga sevingire 3,000 obwe nshashwire abakozi banje babiri nshashwireho na renti aho ninyemera ndikusima His Excellency ntuwebare munonga
ubakweta izina
nibanyeta aturindi machureti
aturinda stama garkanzi aturinda ati akarigiro mwishomera habo Fizi konka akuna bashomesiza busha yatunga umwuga gwamuha ubweiga hato ubweiga bwaturinda buzere imirimo ebiri yahera ndijo muntu aha
izina niraka ninyatwirenos owahendiro primary ya katano nkija natanduka kora ebyokutaha amizi
ukonotaha amizi
ombu center kuna abendyaho nahurira omuranga president atwerireho industrial skilling hub nazayo natanduka okwega nkani nshoma kosi ya okukora enkito kuna kireyo nkanyi n'obwoba ndikumanya ngu no hari akasente nasanga buri kimwe cyona tige cyabusha oburaro bukaburyo bwabusha emere yabusha special meal nashoma kuna amaziro kushoma kosi yanje nagaruka muka akasente kabara ko kutandika etinabire nshomere nija naza kukora wabandi hazandu kukora emitwaro mwenda buri kwezi nazirundana kuna nakora emyezi mukaga naza kukora yanje awundu gambira His Excellency hati ndiyo wanje nimpantisa hazandu kuza kabare ababenu bajirangu ingutine tinda ashomeyo omisho gawe hati ninyandu kubakoresa nkabeta kandi mbahero bujuruzi bakuratire bamanyecho entebe kanse waterireho eminyeto kandi tuwakomanaho awa president wagarka watera miliyoni 5 arkunziri municipality
nuko abantu bangaye
niko sabantu babiri
no tasi otabur buri
mwezi ni ntase mutwaro 30.
Very good. So kale nje kuteze ni mwebishanu bwanyu ati mbwenu habweshaha naza kwerezaho emiga amatafari mushanju agani njaga gamba honye kiro press conference konkata amatafari NRM terari Uganda agna bagambira ati ere kubanza n'obusinge rya kabiri n'entunguka rya kashatu n'obugeiga rya kana n'emirimo okumanya emirimo eri okwemirimo eri kuzarwa obugeiga NRM oye omugurusi w'ekikofira oye Rukongere oye Kigezi oye! Uganda oye! East Africa oye! Katukwata abantu ebendera eshatu agenda.
Thank you. May we have the flag bearers to come and receive their flag. Jumbura constituency, General Henry Tumukuna, Rukungiri municipality, Matthias, Rubabu constituency, Honorable Paula, District Woman MP, Andrew for LC5 chairman, and Boaz, Sumia municipality. General Jim Mwese is receiving his flag for Zumbura constituency. Thank you so much. May the people of Zumbura keep the flag. Next is the General Henry Tumukunda, Rukungiri municipality. Thank you so much, the people of Rukungiri municipality. Our candidate is General Henry Tumukunda. Next is Matthias Mapumuni, Rubabu constituency. Rubabu oye! Rukungiri oye!
Yo.
Next is Honorable Paula for District 1 MP for Rukungiri District. Paula oye! Rukungiri oye! Next is Anderson Katabiru, LC5 chairman.
Katevire?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Next is Mayor Mr. Boaz Motita, Mayor Rukungiri municipality. I will invite Honorable Diana, the National Female Youth MP flag bearer, and Honorable Jacqueline Babazi to join the other flag bearers for a group photo with the President. Thereafter, we shall have the converts. We have converts from Forum for Democratic Party, and we shall receive few gifts, and we close our meeting. The meeting will happen in reverse order.
our chairman, we shall give all of you our party t-shirts and we shall collect the ones you have come with for our custody. Enaremoye.
Omubahinduka twinemu Herbert Kawawa nitwenda kushaba ngo abekibina cya NRM mwakire kurungi waramare kuteza cyane na muzeyi ikija kubahereza t-shirts za yero.
After this, I request your pardon. We shall have our members who have opted not to contest against flag bearers to come just for recognition, to take a photo with the president together with the deck members together. We thank you for respecting the flag bearers and we request that we keep working together as a team. May the party chairman lead the team together with the deck members and those who withdrew from the race to support flag bearers to come forward and take a photo with the party chairman. Can we move faster? Those who offered not to contest against flag bearers, together with the deck members, please move very fast as we move towards the end of our program. The last item will be receiving of the gifts. Those in charge of the gifts should be ready. I'm under pressure from the Women's League. They need a photo with the president. Please allow the women to come. I know they are very smart and we can't refuse that moment of a photo. After the deck members and those who did not go against the flag bearers, we request that the Women League, led by the national chairperson of the Women's League, please go and have the photo moment as we prepare to close our meeting. Can we move faster? Thank you and thank you so much. You have exhibited the spirit of the movement, that we can compete internally and yet we can unite to support the flag. Thank you so much. The women, please, the Women League, move faster. The Women League. And those in charge of the gifts, prepare the gifts as we prepare for the anthem. May we have the women, please. May we have the women, please. Security, can you clear those ladies? The women move a bit faster. And those in charge of the gifts, prepare for the gifts. Move faster, move faster. We thank you because you are the homes, and we thank you that you are going to mobilize in your homes for the vote. And thank you for being smart. Organize yourselves well. After that photo, we shall have the gifts and we sing the anthem in reverse order. We shall all wait for the president to exit, then we follow after.
President Kwaba Keze Bushani na n'abakyara